Okay, so Scorpios, what can you expect? Okay, first card we have for you is Six of Wands. So many of you guys could be getting an extra attention from your soulmates, from people, from colleagues, from okay. So this is going to be a reading for the sign. So this is going to be a reading for the sign of Scorpio. So what can you guys possibly expect for the next 5 to 6 days? So what's coming up for you guys? Scorpios in soulmate relationships, Scorpios overall, Scorpios single. So yeah, one card possibly happen in your current life, Scorpios. Okay. I hope you guys are doing well. So first card we have for you is Ace of Wands. So many of you guys are wanting to start something new. Many of you guys could also be wanting to get attention from a particular person. Okay, you guys are trying hard to get some attention. I see you right now working on your finances, working on your life, working on your goals, working on your dreams. Bottom card we have is Two of Swords. In the past, you guys could not make a choice, or you guys wanted to decide on something, but you guys were not very sure of moving in a certain direction. But right now you have a basic idea as to what you want in life, and I believe you're going after your passion. It could be a relationship, it could be a job, it could be anything. Whatever you consider your passion, basically going after it, and you're very much into it, like you're wanting to basically start something in your life. Okay, so yes, one card for how is your soulmate thinking about you, Scorpio. How is your soulmate currently thinking about you? Currently with Knight of Pentacles, your person has been very slow. Okay, they have delayed a lot of new starts by taking too much time before coming towards you. Okay, bottom card we have for them is King of Swords. So this person could be an air sign for some of you, someone who's way too practical and someone who's way too logical, to a point which can be sometimes get on your nerves, sometimes a little boring when someone is way too practical. So currently how they're coming forward with Seven of Pentacles, they want more time. That is what you're not looking forward to. You want something fast. Okay, with Seven of Pentacles, they feel like they have done their share, or they have put in their effort, or they have put in their time. They just want to see where things go. Okay, in the past we have King of Swords. So this person could have communicated with you, or possibly opened up to you. Okay, so how are they viewing you now? How are they viewing you now? Okay, with King of Pentacles, they see you as someone who is secure financially, or who they can possibly look forward to in terms of a solid committed relationship. Okay, in the past with Eight of Swords, they felt like you were stuck, you could not make your mind, you had a lot to deal with on a very personal level, or you were very messed up in your life in the past. That's how they viewed you. But right now they see you as someone who's secure, someone who they could look up to in terms of long-term relationship. Sorry. Okay, top card we have here is Five of Cups. They may see you as someone who is missing them, or someone who might miss them. Okay, with Five of Cups, they feel like you do have regret over something in life. Okay, so tell me more about it, Spirit. Tell me more about it. Okay, so with Page of Pentacles, they feel like you want to talk to them. Okay, they are basically going after their gut feeling or intuition. They feel like you want to start something with them, and you're basically longing for them. Okay, that's how I'll put it. Okay, so one card for what's their energy towards you, Scorpio soulmate. What's their energy towards you for the next 5 to 6 days? Okay, with Page of Cups, this person is looking forward to communicate as well. Okay, with in the past they kind of distance like themselves from you, or they were trying to make space in between, or they were like literally pushing you off. Okay, right now if there is a gap between the two of you, this person is possibly coming back and wanting to communicate with you. If they did you wrong in any which way, or if they hurt you, or they did say something that was unnecessary, or that was uncalled for, then you guys could get a possible apology very soon. Okay, so one card for their intentions towards you, Scorpio. One card for their intentions towards you moving forward. What's their intentions towards you moving forward? Okay, to be very honest, we have Seven of Pentacles, so they definitely want to build on this. Okay, that they are definitely looking forward to it. Okay, with 10 of cups, they look at you as someone they can be in a happy long-term relationship with. Okay, so one card for their current feelings towards you. What are their current feelings towards you? With six of wands, this person wants your attention, this person wants a victory with you, this person loves your energy, this person loves your attention. In the past, they kind of retreated back. You know, you guys could have hurt them, or there was a moment that kind of got you guys apart. Something happened in the past which they distanced like themselves from day after. Okay, top card we have is three of pentacles, but still they are not very much coming in or putting in effort. Okay, they are still holding back. Okay, so one card for how do they feel about you now? With four of wands, they definitely look at you as someone who is marriage material, or someone who can be their spouse. Okay, I definitely see them as someone who's wanting to be with you for long term, not just for the sake of it, or not just for sex. Okay, so one card for what action are they wanting to take towards you now? What action are they possibly wanting to take towards you now? You have a card. With two of pentacles, they are still juggling. Okay, they do not know how to approach you or how to take action towards you. Yes, very much indecisive. So what's the main blockage, Spirit? Why are they behaving this way? What's the main blockage? With five of cups, the past is still haunting them. Something you might have said, or something you might have done, knowingly, unknowingly, consciously, unconsciously, is still affecting them. The past is still getting in the way. Okay, one more card as to how they view you or see you now. Like, what do they think you're up to currently? With ace of cups, nine of cups, justice. For some of you, this person might see you as someone who might be open to other people or other options. Okay, how do, like what do they feel you have for them? One card. With Knight of Cups, they know that you have feelings for them, but they are also very confused, or they also feel like you might not hold yourself back from opening to new people, okay, or new soulmates. Okay, but they know deep down that you are longing for them and you have feelings for them. But they also know that being a Scorpio, you won't mind moving on to a better option or much easier option. Okay, so one card for where this is moving forward. Where this is moving forward for Scorpio and their soulmate. Where this is moving forward for the next 5 to 6 days. Where do we see this going? Okay. With 8 of cups in the reverse, this person, if they tried to move on, they could not move on from you. I see them trying to come back, but they do not know what they are looking forward to. The Tower card, the past problems are still affecting this relationship. So where this is moving forward to, Spirit, there are going to be some significant changes in this connection. Okay, the connection won't be the same it used to be. Either it's going to move forward in the right direction, or either it's going to mess up even more. Okay, the Tower card could bring any outcome, to be honest. Okay, we have a card. For some of you, you will be in a relationship with this person by the end of the month. Okay, with Ace of Swords, this person has very much got the a wake-up call that you are the person for them. But things in the past were very messy, and they are still very much affected by the past. Okay, top card we have is High Priestess. They have a very strong intuition that you are the person for them. Okay, so one more card for what are they looking forward to have with you now. What are they looking forward to have with you for the next few days? Okay, with 8 of wands in the reverse, right now they might want some communication. If you blocked them, or if you tried to get away from them, they want your attention. They very much want your attention. Okay, I feel some of you might have blocked this person. Okay, so yes, moving on, I'll be pulling few cards for what are they wanting to say to you now. Let's take love messages from your person. Whatever Spirit is wanting to tell you about this connection. One card for what a person would want to say to you currently. What would Spirit want you to know about this connection? We have one card. Listen to your heart. So Spirit, universe, your ancestors are wanting to tell you to listen to your heart and not your mind, your heart. Okay. Second card we have for you is I doubt you even care for me. Okay, so they do have a doubt that you do not care for them like the way they care for you. Okay, even if they do not show that, but yeah. One more card. Let's see what your person would want to say to you. I could be your king or queen, baby. So yeah, desire you so much. This person desires you very, very much. I could be your king or queen. Okay, so reach out. That's the card. This person wants you to reach out. Sorry, this person very much wants you to reach out to them. So this was your reading for Scorpios. I'm trying to do more regular readings for like 5 to 6 days, or like at least 3-4 readings a month. So please support the channel. Please support the reading. Like the video if it resonated. Comment if you felt it made a difference in your life. Okay, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and reach out if you want a personal reading with me. Okay, thank you so much and see you soon, guys. Cheers.